Hello, I'm Steve Robertson with Music World. I'm a school representative, and you might see me at your school next year because I like to come out and help the band directors out. Today I'm going to demonstrate 4 of the beginning band music instruments that you have a chance to try this year at school. The first one I'm going to try is the flute. The flute is in the woodwind family and uses 3 fingers on the top and 3 on the bottom. To get a sound on the flute, we blow across this hole as if you're making the air stream go slightly downward. It's a very small opening with your lips, blowing at an angle down like this. I practice with putting my 2 fingers underneath my lower lip and playing right into the center with the air. When I play in the flute, it sounds like this. You can see the flute is a very beautiful instrument. It's fun to play. This might be your instrument. Okay, the second instrument that I'm going to show you today is a clarinet, and it is another one of the woodwind family, so you'll notice that 3 fingers on the top, 3 fingers on the bottom. The woodwinds are very similar to each other in that respect. To get a sound on the clarinet, however, we play with a mouthpiece that has a small vibrating reed. If everyone would take their thumb and put it up against their top teeth, and then close your lips and blow, that's what it feels like to blow onto the mouthpiece, and this is what happens when we get the sound on a clarinet. The clarinet goes pretty low and it also goes high. So clarinet's a fun instrument to play, the second woodwind instrument in our family. The trumpet is the next instrument that we're looking at today. This is in the brass family. It uses a small mouthpiece on the end that comes on and off to make the sound. To get a sound on a trumpet, put your lips tightly together and blow against them without letting any air escape. Then slightly relax the lips until you get a buzzing sound like this. That's what makes a sound in the mouthpiece. Once you put the mouthpiece up to your lips, it's easier. If I want to go higher, I tighten my lips up and blow faster. If I want to go lower, I relax. Trumpet sounds like this. The final instrument that we're going to look at today is also in the brass family. The trombone uses a mouthpiece that's twice as big as the trumpet mouthpiece. And some people find that the trumpet mouthpiece is very difficult to get a sound on because it's so small. This is sometimes a perfect instrument for them because of that. I have 2 daughters that still play trombone to this day, and when they were your age, that's the instrument they picked. Notice it is twice as big. Here's what it sounds like when I buzz my lips. Tighten them up to go higher, loosen them to go lower. You'll notice though there's no buttons, there's no valves. To change the notes on a trombone, I move the slide in and out like this. Then you learn very quickly what the spots are. Here's what it sounds like. So a trombone goes very high and very low. This might be the instrument for you. Music World specializes in instrument repairs and instrument rentals, so please feel free to follow the links at the end of this video to find out how that you can get involved with an instrument, and good luck with your band next year. Hopefully I'll see you at the school. Thank you.